know that every grain of rice on a Vietnamese dining table is the result of the hard work of millions of farmers, a blend of tradition and modern technology? Today, I'll take you on a magical journey of rice, from the fields to the bowl. Let's uncover the story behind these simple yet meaningful moments.
Let me know if you'd like it to sound more formal, poetic, or tailored for a specific audience.
Vietnam is among the top 3 rice exporting countries in the world, with an output of around 6-7 million tons in 2023. But why is rice still called the pearl from heaven? Because 75% of the daily calories for Vietnamese people come from a simple bowl of rice. But what journey does it take to produce each grain of high-quality rice?
Let me know if you'd like it to sound more formal, poetic, or tailored for a specific audience.
In the Mekong Delta, rice varieties like ST24 and OM18 are highly favored for their soft texture and fragrant aroma. The seeds are soaked in clean water for 12 to 18 hours to wake them up. I once followed a female farmer in Long On. She dipped her hand into the water and said, "The water needs to be as cool as a mountain spring for the sprouts to thrive." It may sound like folk wisdom, but it truly ensures strong, healthy seedlings.
Let me know if you'd like it to sound more formal, poetic, or tailored for a specific audience.